Hello everyone, welcome back to All Things Football and welcome to today's opening and review. A whopping 20 pack opening for the Panini Adrenalyn XL 2020/21 season Premier League official trading card collection. Now here in front of me on the desk I have 20 packets, 20 retail packets. Here is the pack design. They're all the same with Kevin De Bruyne, Virgil van Dijk, Marcus Rashford and Son of Spurs on the front, with the Panini Knight Carlo Parola in the bottom right corner there. £1 per packet for 6 cards. There's the barcode on the back, and the odds are as follows. There is 320 base cards, 20 lineups and 1 trophy, 27 heroes there, 1 in 2, 20 club crests, 1 in 4, 9 diamonds, 9 top keepers, 9 lightning and 26 elites, they're 1 in 5, 9 defensive rocks, they're 1 in 6, 9 game breakers, 1 in 8 I think that is, no sorry 1 in 7, and 8 golden ballers and 1 invincible, 1 in 50. So let's just move those over there for now and let's get straight in. I will be showing some of the codes in this video, so if you want to use them online codes, feel free. So let's get underway, see what we can get. So we start off with a game breaker for Sheffield United's John Lundstrom, and an elite card for Bobby Firmino of Liverpool. There's the first online code card. I will read it out as well. ZDX1M1L6913B. And the rest of the pack is Andros Townsend base for Crystal Palace, Ahmed Helgazzi of West Bromwich Albion, Ashley Westwood of Burnley, and Ruben Neves, the Portuguese midfielder from Wolves, and a security tag to finish off. So that's the first one. Nothing about any major note. So in the next one we start with Robert Snodgrass, hero card for West Ham United, Gabriel Jesus, elite card for Manchester City, and the next online code is ZKGMN1N981FB, and the base Phil Foden of Manchester City, Tom Heaton, the Aston Villa goalkeeper, Wes Morgan of Leicester City, and Adama Traore, the Spaniard from Wolves. Next up we have Jordan Pickford, top keeper for Everton, the England #1 at the moment. A diamond for Moussa Djenepo of Southampton. Pop that there. Next to the heroes, the next code card, which is ZPZ371W331WJ, and the base are Pablo Hernandez of Leeds United, Miguel Almiron of Newcastle United, Dominic Calvert-Lewin of Everton, and Robbie Brady, the Irishman from Burnley. Next up we have a hero card for the Ox, Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain of Liverpool, and a fantastic diamond, Mason Greenwood, the man in demand, the Manchester United youngster, now in the England squad, or in the next England squad rather. There's the next code card. ZZH9R19H P196, and the base are Leandro Trossard of Brighton, the Burnley starting 11, Lewis Dunk, the Brighton skipper, and Scott McTominay of Manchester United. Next up we have a hero for Pablo Hernandez of Leeds United. That's our third one of the opening so far, and the Chelsea logo. And the next code card, there it is, ZQI1 C1PQ Z1I3. And the base, Adam Forshaw of Leeds United, Ender Stevens of Sheffield United, John Stones of Manchester City, and Bernard, the Brazilian from Everton. Next up we have a hero for Johnny Otto of Wolverhampton Wanderers, and an elite for Romain Sawyers of West Bromwich Albion. And the next base, the next code card, ZN8GT18WV1WT. And the base, the Southampton lineup, Johnny Otto's base card for Wolves, Jack Grealish of Aston Villa, and Emil Kraft, the Swede from Newcastle United. Next up we have the top keeper Alisson Becker of Liverpool. That's our second one of those, and the Leeds United logo. And there's the next code card, Z1CQJ1LRU194. And the base, David De Gea, the Spaniard from Manchester United, the goalkeeper. The Tottenham Hotspur lineup, George Baldock of Sheffield United, and Connor Townsend of West Bromwich Albion. Next up we have a diamond for Gabriel Martinelli, the young Brazilian from Arsenal. A Fulham headshot there for Kevin McDonald. James Tompkins for Crystal Palace. The next code card, sorry I'm showing it the wrong way around, too early in the morning, ZDI5P1PC Y148. And the rest of the base, Ruben Vinagre of Wolves, Tanguy and Ndombele of Spurs, and Andreas Pereira of Manchester United. Next up we have an elite for Solly March of Brighton and Hove Albion, the Manchester City starting 11, and Abubakar Kamara of Fulham. The next online code, ZL66Y1MV8136, and the rest of the base, Bernardo Silva of Manchester City, Davi Proper of Brighton, and Davinson Sanchez, the Colombian centre-back from Spurs. Now at the halfway point of the opening. Nothing of any major note pulled so far, unfortunately. So we start this one with a game breaker for Rodri of Manchester City. That's our second one of those. And the Wolves logo. And the next code ZW6HF1WVU17M. And the base Michael Keane of Everton, Kieran Tierney of Arsenal, Mo Salah of Liverpool, and the Brazilian Felipe Anderson from West Ham United. Next up we have the Burnley logo, Jeffrey Schlupp of Crystal Palace. Oh, fantastic pull. A bonus card there. The Premier League trophy card. Very cool. Number 468 in the collection. That's cracking stuff. Let's put that there. And the rest of the base, Anthony Martial of Manchester United, Richarlison of Everton, and Adam Webster of Brighton. Next up we start with Andrew Robertson, a defensive rock from Liverpool, and Trent Alexander-Arnold diamond card also from Liverpool. Then we have Gary Cahill of Crystal Palace, Luka Milivojevic also of Palace, Matt Ryan, the Brighton keeper, and Serge Aurier, the fullback from Spurs. Next up we have the Crystal Palace logo, James Tarkowski of Burnley, Ilkay Gundogan of Manchester City, Dale Stephens of Brighton Hove Albion, Ross Barkley of Chelsea, and we finish with Martin Montoya also of Brighton and Hove Albion. Next up we have another defensive rock, Burnley captain Ben Mee. And the rest of the pack is Kelechi Iheanacho of Leicester City, Declan Rice of West Ham United, João Moutinho of Wolves, Bobby Firmino's base card for Liverpool, and Roman Saiz of Wolverhampton Wanderers. The defensive rocks coming out thick and fast. Here's another one, Jan Bednarek, the pull from Southampton. And the base, Moussa Sissoko of Spurs, Ian Poveda of Leeds United, James Milner of Liverpool, Chris Basham of Sheffield United, and Patrick Bamford of Leeds United. Next up we have the Leicester logo, and the rest of the base, Daniel James of Manchester United, Ashley Barnes of Burnley, Ollie Norwood of Sheffield United, Matheus Pereira, the Brazilian from West Brom, and David McGoldrick of the Blades, Sheffield United. Next up we have a hero card for Arsenal's Hector Bellerin, and the Aston Villa logo, and then we have the West Brom lineup, and Steven Sessegnon, brother of Tottenham's Ryan, and the rest of the base, the new Chelsea striker Timo Werner, and Lucas Torreira of Arsenal. Next up we have a hero for Matt Ryan, the Aussie goalkeeper from Brighton, and Paul Pogba's elite card from Manchester United, and the rest of the base is Bernd Leno, the German keeper from Arsenal, Ezri Konsa of Aston Villa, Andrei Yarmolenko of West Ham United, and Ben Osborne from Sheffield United. Penultimate pack, can we get something nice in one of these last two, I wonder? Probably not is my guess. Here's the top keeper Bernd Leno of Arsenal, and the elite Neil Maupay, the ex-Brentford striker now at Brighton of course, and the base Chris Wood of Burnley, Marvelous Nakamba of Aston Villa, Raheem Harper of West Brom, and Jamie Shackleton of Leeds United. And the final packet, can we get a stroke of fortune? I don't think it's going to happen, but anyhow, what have we got in this final one? We have a elite card for Alexander Mitrovic, Alisson Becker of Liverpool, Calvin Phillips of Leeds United, Victor Lindelof of Manchester United, Jack Robinson of Sheffield United, and oh wow, fantastic pull right at the end card as well in the pack. Very chuffed with that. A golden baller, Son Heung-min of Tottenham Hotspur. Look at that, I'm that excited I can't get my words out properly. Fantastic pull right at the end, very chuffed with that. Just as I thought I wasn't going to get lucky, I struck gold right at the end. Superb stuff. Let's just take another look at that. Look at the design on that, that's fantastic. Hats off to you, Panini. These cards, absolutely gorgeous, for want of a better word. 100 all across the board, 300 in total. Golden baller Son of Spurs. So, hope you've enjoyed this opening and review of 20 packs of the brand new 2020/21 season Panini Adrenalyn XL Premier League trading card collection. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Please stay tuned, plenty more videos coming on this collection and many others in the not too distant future, and I will see you all in them videos. Thanks for watching everyone, and goodbye.